So here we are in Porkkala.
Pork barrel.
This actually was rented for Soviet Union for 10 years or so because of the reasons of World War II. It was supposed to be rented for 50 years, but for some reason they gave it back in 1956. Nowadays you cannot see anything visible like of those moments at this area where we are, Lähteellä outdoor place, where we are gonna do some grilling.
Sauna.
And then something a little bit special, we have their sauna rented and we're gonna go to sauna, and then of course because of the fresh snow we are going to roll there in the snow. So yes, in the summertime this is like private boat harbor, pretty big one. There's toilets. You can find 2 saunas. Other one is electric sauna. Other one is wooden sauna. In the summertime there's a little place that you can buy coffee, some something to drink. I'm not sure actually if there's something to eat, but at least coffee and something like that, some buns. And places to grill, you can swim. We've been going here many years already, in the summer and also in the winter time. And first time it's this much of snow. It's a lot actually.
I take video.
Ah.
Again.
Electric sauna, sähkösauna. Was it cold? Lots of wood provided here, covered with snow. We have luckily some with ourselves along us. So, and there's actually already some. Jommassa kummassa.
That's where I'm moment is this for you.
Always the cold weather. Yeah, so I'll show you some surroundings here. Somewhere there, if you're going further as well, there will be open sea. I guess going to Estonia, Tallinn, that direction ish. But actually, it's really cold over here. Yeah. Attempt number 2 to the sea. First time was a failure. Feels like it's not so windy at this moment. Oh. There. How does it go? Oh, did it! A little bit cold now. From sea to snow. Okei, nyt on kylmä.
Mennään, eteenpäin.
So that was the
trip. That was the day.
Sauna done.
Let's make it a day.
Sauna done, and now it's
Time to go home.
time to go home, and this is how it looks like
In the
for
night.
us now.
In the night it's like I don't know, jungle.
Sauna was okay. There was no hot water, not that much, but it was okay.
We always find ways
No,
how
yeah.
to surviving the nature and the wild. Lulen, joku tuli.
Voi olla joo. Okay. No, that's weird. Looks pretty nice actually. How's the ball? We'll go. Hey. I don't have any light. Kanske kauemmas olla. En, no, näitä joo. Ei se koira, se on joku. No varmaan, ei, se on joku. Kaunis. We are back at the car. This was our day trip this time.